Okay, guys, I have a beef chuck roast, boneless, center cut. I got the pressure cooker. We are gonna make pulled beef tacos today. So, bringing it up to heat. We're gonna brown it up a little bit. I've never tried this. I've tried pulled pork tacos, but never beef. So, ain't that party? Set that sucker in there. It should be good, bro. If not, I'm in trouble. Gotta wash my hands up a little bit. Get that beef off. I'll show you what I'm gonna put in it after I get it browned up. Got a couple of Taco Bell taco seasoning mix I'm gonna put in there after I brown it. And that, I'm gonna chop up a jalapeno on the stick. I'm gonna chop up a jalapeno and throw it in there. Some onion. And some good old cilantro. We're gonna throw that all in there and let it pressure cook for about an hour, then we'll check on it. So she is browning up right now. Let me find something to turn her with. My little stand here don't stay in place too well. Sugar. Oh, let me open this thing up. I grab it now. Maybe. Maybe not. Come on, you sucker. There we got it. Yeah, I could have left it longer. I'll flip it back over in a minute. Let me get that browned up and I'll be right back in a second with y'all. Okay guys, she's all seared up. I'll throw some onions in here. Got a little other half of the onion. A jalapeno on the stick. Oops, I can get this cold. Where's my knife? Oh, buddy. And taco seasoning. Now this works on pulled pork. I don't know if it'll work on beef. We'll find out. You know, a taco package always equals to 1 pound of meat. So this is 2.5 pounds. right. So I'm gonna have to put some kind of water in there. Put a little water in her. Give it a stir or a flip. Oop, she's trying to stick. She was trying to stick on me. Flip her back over a little bit. Maybe a little bit more water. And I'm gonna cancel that sear now and get ready to cook this baby. What y'all think? Oh, it smells wonderful. Bet you my buddies would like some taste of this. So I need to put this on a pressure cook. Close the seal. Pressure cook it. It's on 40 minutes. I need to bump that up. I'm gonna put it on 60 and see what happens. So, it's set for 60 minutes, or a whole hour. So we'll come back and check this baby after an hour and see if it's ready to be pulled. So y'all stick around. Okay, guys. Had to go an extra 15 minutes, but it's falling apart. I had to go make some good tacos. My camera's fogging up. Ah! Anyway, I'm gonna take it out and put it in this bowl. I'm gonna save them juices for a Mexican soup or something. Oh, that juice is gonna be good. We'll be right back to make a taco and show y'all the taco. Looky here, guys, looky here. Shredded beef to make tacos with. I put some of that juice in it so it wouldn't dry out. But we fixing to make a taco right now. Let's get that out of the way. I get my plate over here. Could have had beans, but oh well. Brandy's beating me to it. Little cheese. And this is low carb spinach rolls.
Spinach wraps.
Spinach wrap, spinach roll, whatever you want to call it. Don't be correcting me, woman. Some cilantro. Some jalapeno on the stick. One more. Yum yum. Move it down closer. Well, onions. Now it's meat time. Found some sauce.
Yep, some of my homemade salsa.
Some of Brandy's homemade salsa. A little more meat. A little more meat. That's enough meat, I think. Maybe one little piece right there. And some salsa.
Look how beautiful that salsa is.
A little more cilantro for me. I like cilantro. Just like that.
Beautiful.
Like that. And how do we wrap this big sucker up now?
Just like that.
Well, I need my bottom wrap because I will spill it.
Me too. There you go.
There we go. Taste test time, y'all.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. They only seen my hand so far.
Look at this, y'all. Look at that.
I want a bite, don't you?
You want a bite?
Mm.
Take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my gosh.
You know what's missing? Your Spanish rice.
Oh my gosh.
What?
The meat is so freaking tender, so juicy. It just melts in your mouth.
I'm hungry.
The spices that he used, I don't know what he used because I wasn't here.
Taco Bell taco sauce. Seasonal.
It's perfect. It is spot on. Then you take the cilantro and put the cilantro in there and put it on your taco. Just really gives it the festive flavor. And these wraps are not bad at all. You know, and they're low carb. They're good for his heart.
I can't tell much difference in a wrap and a tortilla.
And of course my hot sauce is really good with it.
That's good.
I don't see how you could get much better than this. Home cooking is always better
Well,
than going out to eat.
I could have took the meat outdoors and smoked it, then brought it back in and cooked it.
No.
No smoke flavor? You don't like smoke flavor.
No. But this is the best. I think this is the even better than the street tacos that I get in the morning.
Maybe I need to start a street taco truck.
It is very, very good, I have to say.
She hadn't showed me that pressure cooker and taught me how to use it. We wouldn't be eating this.
No, not unless I made it. But y'all have got to try this out, y'all. This is just absolutely amazing. If you have an Instapot, you can make it in an Instapot because that's really all this is. It's like an Instapot. It's a pressure cooker. Instapot.
Slow cooker too.
Yep. So y'all make sure to try this out. And when you do, come back and leave us a comment below on how yours turned out. But always make sure
Sure.
you share, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell.
And Autumn didn't come in here and say hi.
Autumn!
Autumn, come here.
She had Chinese food noodles.
Come here. Hurry,
Mommy's
hurry,
lunch.
hurry, hurry. Come tell everybody
Tell
hi.
everybody hi.
And bye. Say hi and bye.
Hi.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
The camera right here.
Wave to them. Say, I love you later.
I love you later. Say see you tonight on the live.
Say see you tonight. No, you kind of not get on the ladder. So, until later.
We love y'all.
Bye, y'all. We're going to go eat.